With zipBoard, you can review websites, web apps, e-learning courses, images, videos, and PDF documents. You can share reviews using annotations, markups, and screen recordings, and you can track and report issues. Now it's time to add your collaborators. You can do this at any phase of your project. To do so, you want to click the Collaborators tab on the left side and click Add Collaborators. Here you can enter their email, and you can add as many people as you would like, and you can also include a message. Below there's an invite link to send them through other means. Once you have the collaborators added, they can go into the project and you can assign specific people tasks here. Once it's assigned to them, they can update the status here. Companies that use zipBoard see an overall return on investment within 5 months. zipBoard customers also save an average of 30% time on their digital development. Choose zipBoard and sign up now.